Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss about cloud storage options available in AWS cloud environment. In general, cloud storage used to store data over the internet through the remote computing resources comparison to the local computer and on-premises. Actually, there are three types of storages available in cloud, namely block storage, file storage, and object storage. And further, the storages are being built via hard drives. These hard drives further categorized into types, namely traditional hard drive, which is HDD, and solid state hard drive. Traditional hard drive, it's a normal like our magnetic hard drive. It's less in cost and poor in performance as well. Solid state drives, these are the modern day storage devices. They are in higher in cost and better in performance. Why we are going for cloud storage over the on-prem storage? There are many beneficials to the enterprises who are availing cloud storage over the on-prem storage. For example, we if we are having a limited or a maximum quantity of server capacity. However, we are not going to entirely use that capacity. There will be a definitely unused portion of each and every memory segments. These segments are very well optimized in the cloud storage based on the allocations. And also, we are in on-prem. We are spending very expensive storage capacities used dead data or unused data. Actually, on-prem storages are a lack of flexibility comparison to the cloud storage. That is why nowadays enterprises or any organization prefers cloud storage over the on-prem or local computer storage. These are the types of storages available in AWS environment. This hierarchy shows us there are mainly two. One is as I said, a traditional one and solid state. In solid, I mean in SSD, we are having further two category: general purpose and provision IOPs. In hard disk, we are having three types. One is general standard, and another one is throughput optimized, and next one is cold STD. This image shows us how these types of storage is categorized into category. One is SSD and another one is HDD. General purpose storage. These storages are default storage of whenever we are launching the Amazon's EC2 instances. It's generally used to boot a volume or hosting a simple web server or to run the medium size of application and code repository, etc. The next one is provisioned IOPs. These provisioned IOPs volume backed by the solid state drives, and these are the highest performance oriented storage capacities provided by AWS. Especially these are all used to bear the huge load of output based on input output operation based on a task. Next one is throughput optimized. Actually, these are the volumes provided by Amazon under low cost magnetic storage, which is less performance oriented compared to uh, the previous one. However, these are throughput optimized segment used to store a normal, uh, I mean less accessed files like streaming contents and data warehouses, log processing, and bootable volumes. Speed of these throughput optimized storages are calculated under MBPs, I mean MB per second. Finally, the cold HDD. The cold HDD volumes provide the low-cost magnetic storage. In terms of the performance, they are very slow comparison to the previous ones. Actually, these are all good to have application logs and having a very inactive data in a better manner. Thanks.